Ellen and Jeremy are out there in that somewhere. There's Jeremy right there. Woo! Easy. And there's Jessie. Hi, Jess. And there's Nathan running far, far away. Didn't even get his feet in there and ran away.